am such a sucker for a love story, and this is actually how the whole concept of the shark came about. I took myself off for reflexology, and instead of just lying there and enjoying the moment, my mind was on overdrive. And I kind of got onto the concept of a shark, and I was like wrestling with it. And I was thinking to myself, oh my gosh, where did I come with this? Then I got to playing around with Mickey and Minnie and Mouse, and then I got to just like the slogan, the message of when nothing else matters. And that kind of resonated with me. And I thought, what I want to depict is this real ugly, mean shark. Inside of that shark with his, okay, he must have a wide open mouth bearing his teeth. And inside of that shark, I wanted to depict a Mickey and Minnie Mouse, and just totally in love and oblivious, smiles on their faces, oblivious to the rest of the world. And I thought to myself, I can go with this. So what I did is my background, I used an acrylic. I used a lot of fluoro in that, as well as the orange. And then the shark itself with Mickey and Minnie Mouse, I used oil paints. I enjoy the concept. I love the acrylic and the fact it dries so quickly, and I love the boldness of the fluoro colors. I love the oils because the way you can mix them, the various colors you can get in the tones. And then as you can see here, I used a little bit of gold leaf for the eyes. I just wanted that slight pop of gold to come through. So you'll see later, I actually paint over the gold leaf, and I allow just slivers. Oh, there in the corner, you can actually see where I did my pen drawing, and that was the concept. And then I took that pen drawing and I transposed it over onto the AO size. So yes, this is Jaws personified, my version of Jaws, my version of a love story. I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. It is, like I said, it's AO, it's done on canvas. And yeah, a unique concept, probably never to be repeated again. But while I did it, I thoroughly enjoyed it. Oh yeah, here I am. I'm doing the eyes. I'm just going over the gold leaf. Totally a new technique for me. I haven't really done it before. I battled with my first layer. I just couldn't seem to get traction with the oil. But then I know oils, you never do. You need to do those 1 or 2 layers. So there was me. You can see just leaving a little bit of the gold. I didn't want them to be like eyesores, but I wanted them to be vicious eyes, and I thought the gold will actually lend itself to that. And then I did wait for that to dry, and then I think now I'm actually giving it its final coat. Yeah, and that is my story. When nothing else matters, love conquers all, and all that jazz. So I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you subscribe, please. I really love it that you tune into me and you watch my adventures in the creative world, because that's what I'm all about. I'm about having fun, spreading joy, spreading love, and sure, we really know that our world is short on those things. So like, share, subscribe. Chat soon.